Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. If you guys hear some rain in the background, we're in the middle of a thunderstorm, so just ignore that. I just want to show you guys a video about packet stream. I'm currently running ipRoyal, packet stream and 𝐥𝐤𝐤, as you can see here. These are just the same essential app if you look at it in that way. So your 𝐥𝐤𝐤, if we open up that, we go to our dashboard, or you can, and if you go to your packet stream and your ipRoyal, you can see that it's essentially the same. And what they'll do is you will use your internet or your traffic, you'll sell it, and you'll get paid out in USD, whatever your chosen thing is. For this one example, I get paid out into my PayPal. You can get paid out into Bitcoin. But with that, it's just showing you how you can connect all three. So first I'll show you this one. I do have a video about ipRoyal, and I do have a video about 𝐥𝐤𝐤, but what we will do is we will go through all of them and show you guys exactly what it's about. For example, we go ipRoyal pawns. Alright, so we'll start off with packet stream. My first one that I ever got was 𝐥𝐤𝐤 and ipRoyal. Packet stream doesn't seem to be using as much data or selling as much data as the other ones. I'll go into what I think is the best out of all. So all you want to do is go to packetstream.io, and you can see here, if you've got FAQs, you can go through to their dashboard, what they're about. You can either buy bandwidth or buy access to an internet. So if you wanted to access, like having an MBN of data from other areas, you can do that, or you can sell it. So on this one, you can see you get 10 cents per gigabyte sold. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 is 10 cents per gigabyte sold, and ipRoyal is 20 cents gigabyte sold. So you actually get more money from ipRoyal than the others, but you can make money with it. You can see here how it works. So if we are the customer, we sell our internet or use our data to packet stream. Whenever packet stream get purchase orders, aka these, for our area, they will then sell it. So packeteers will pay packet stream to use our data. We let them use our data, so that's how it all works out. You can go through and see anything else you want to do, see, try, reviews, etc. It's all on this page. All you want to do is click become a packeteer, click earn money, and then obviously we've got an account here, but you can fill out all your information, download the app. You can download it and it'll be here, and away you go. You can start seeing the traffic you sold. So if you scroll on, you can see I only recently downloaded it, and then you'll see the spike. So that was obviously a little order came in, and then you can see it starting back up. So all you want to do is click download, and you can download it. Obviously Linux, Mac, same as the others, referral, so you get a 20% referral bonus promo. You'll get 20% of the points that they earn. So if you do make referrals, you can see that, and you can share them on all your socials. Our referral link will be in the bottom of this, but you can have that running. You can have all three running like I do. The good thing about having them all running is you can earn money. It's not a get quick scheme, but you will earn money off all of them throughout the days. I've personally cashed out on ipRoyal. I haven't cashed out on 𝐥𝐤𝐤 yet, or Packet, because Packet's only new. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 has a higher payout. So this is packet stream. From what I've noticed, it is the least profitable in the sense of it sells the least amount of traffic. The next one is 𝐥𝐤𝐤. So you can see here, we're up to $10.03. The minimum payout for this is $20, so it will take a while to get there. you can see a much more in-depth chart. You can see your referrals and you can see what's mining. So for example, I've got it mining on 2 different devices, and you can see here gatherings, referrals, and winnings. Your gathering is how much you've earned. So for example, and 121 on your gatherings, but if you go gathering only, 120, 58, so on and so forth. So you can see what you've sold. And what I mean by is how much data you've sold and what you've earned. So I've earned 10,000 credits, which is worth $10. So for every gigabyte you sell, or for every 1,000 you sell, is $1. So if you add all that up, for every 1,000 you sell is $1. So it's not going to be quick, but it will add up slowly over time. You don't have to do anything. If you do refer people, you will get a small referral bonus and your winnings. So every now and then if you log into the app, it'll pop up with a thing saying try your luck. You just click a button and you will win some money. You see, I don't log in every single day, so I won 10, 120, 110, 50. My highest winning on a single day was 100. Now if you think of it in that aspect, if 1,000 is $1, 100 is 10 cents. So I won 10 cents on that day. I won 2 cents, 1 cent. So you can still win something. On this, if you go to your transaction history, it'll show you a more in-depth one. So on every day you can see how much you gathered yourself, how much you got from referrals, how much you got from winning the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 thing, and then if you go to your referrals you can see the people that have signed up. But you will earn money from just having it running on your computer. You can also download the app and have it for your phone. For example, I have it on my Android phone, so I currently have this running on my main mining computer. So I've got a mining rig. I have it running on my mining rig in the background. I've got it running on my personal computer, which is what I'm on now, and then I also have it running on my mobile phone. The one I've created on my mobile phone is for on a different account, just so it's running. So as you guys can see, I've got PacketStream running and 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐤 running at the same time. They both earn 10 cents per gigabyte. The other one that I have actually cashed out on is ipRoyal. I haven't cashed out on the others yet, but I've cashed out on ipRoyal. I'm not sure if I've used my wife's email or mine. You gotta love when you gotta verify and log in. Please don't be wrong. There we go. Alright, so your one-time password. Done. Alright, so signed in. You guys can see that on ipRoyal, your payouts can be requested through PayPal or Bitcoin. My traffic sold and my income from that. You can click download here once you create an account. Same thing, Android APK if you don't go through Google, Windows, Mac. So what I did to get it on my computer, I downloaded Windows, and then once you install it, just like the others, if you click it, you can see that it's running in the background and you can sell your data. Information to be very aware of, guys. One application is allowed per device per IP address. So unlike 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐤, where you can have multiple accounts running on the one IP address, this one you can only have one. But to get around this, I do have it linked in to my computer on my Wi-Fi, and then I have it on my mobile phone through this, with running on my mobile phone data, because I get a bunch of data for nothing. Using servers or VPNs is strictly not allowed. You can't use more than one account from a single IP address. We just covered that. It will run automatically at startup if you want to turn it off. So you can see that it's running. If you go affiliates, they're your referrals. So if you have any referral or any person that's signed up, you can go through, you can send links, you can see everything on there. If you have websites, you can add banners or HTML codes, and then you got your links down here. We pay affiliate earnings from $5. So once you start earning money from affiliates, so people register, you start earning money off them, you will get 10% of their payout. So once they earn a payout, you get 10%. So if they get up to $5 and they pay out, you get a 50% bonus. That's as straightforward as it is. You got your payouts. You guys will be able to see here that, 18 days ago, I sold $5.11 USD because it had used 25 gigabytes of data. So I sold that and got paid out in USD into my PayPal. I can confirm that that has arrived. It arrived in AUD because obviously I'm in Australia. So I got about $7 something for that. So you're making $10 a month on average on this one. Haven't cashed out on these yet, but they're about $5 a month on HoneyGame, maybe a bit more or less. You will earn more money the more referrals they get, but the more referrals you get, but on the flip side, anyone that signs up, it doesn't cost them anything, and they can make a little bit of money as well. So that's all 3 of them done. I'll put the links to them below. If you guys have any questions on how to set them up, please let me know, and if you have any comments, please put them down below as well. Alright, thank you very much, and we will see you on the next video.